Best curling iron reviews. Do you think you're lacking that attractiveness in yourself, which was once a strong point in your personality? If yes, then you have done a self-analyzation. Sticking into the same look is quite boring for everyone else and seeing yourself too. So, you just need a new hairstyle, that's it. A curling machine gives you a bold look. Here's a list of our top picks of best curling iron reviews, Consumer Reports. So, let's start from number 5, and stay tuned till we reveal our top one. Number 5. Remington Pro Pearl Ceramic Conical Curling Wand. Remington is a brand that every woman is aware of because it makes the best hair straighteners. Also the best curling iron for fine hair, thick hair or any other type for that matter. The curling iron is packed with pearl ceramic technology, which ensures fast and long-lasting curls. There is an amazing heating system that this unit is equipped with, which makes sure that the heat emitted by the ceramic is fast and uniform. The end result is going to be truly mesmerizing and without any snag. Number 4. Bobbies Pro Nano Titanium Professional Curl Machine. This curling iron from Bobbies Pro gives you the power to create 3 different curl sizes using a single tool. You can create loose waves, tight curls, and regular curls with this curling iron. You can select 3 curl settings individually to get distinct curls. Or you can merge different curl sizes to create natural yet attractive styles and textures. Number 3. Sambilla Artist Series 2-in-1 Marcel Curling Iron and Wand. The company has added an extra long ceramic barrel, which lets you curl the longest of hair while the ceramic heating element makes sure of even heating from top to bottom. You can even curl your color-treated hair by selecting a color-treated heat setting, which heats the temperature at 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Your hair won't dull or fade at all. Number 2. GHD Professional Hair Curling Iron. GHD curling iron comes with a tapered barrel, which helps create big, bouncy curls or stunning waves. The temperature will be constantly monitored across the whole barrel, thanks to the inclusion of ultra-zone technology. The unit also features 1.25-inch tapered barrel, which allows it to be used for all hair types and lengths. The curling iron adapts to your hair perfectly, ensuring the right styling temperature of 365 degrees Fahrenheit. As a result, you will get smooth, shiny hair. Number 1. Bobbies Pro Nano Titanium Spring Curling Iron. Bobbies Pro has come up with a beautiful curling iron, which heats up real quick to let you create tight curls and looser rings on all kinds of hair. The barrel of this curling iron is made up of a blend of titanium and ceramic, which allows faster transferring of heat along with generating negative ions that result in shinier and softer hair.